friends, I'm Supriti and this is my 9 months old baby. His name is Krish. Today I'm making this video for those ladies who wants to apply for passport in India for the little one and they don't know the procedure. And in this video I have given the step-by-step procedure how to apply and what documents you need while you are applying. See, after applying within 1 month you will get your baby's passport done. So check this out.
First, you register on Indian Passport Office web page, and then next login as a new user and put the ID same as you did during registration. Here click on fresh passport and then from here you just download the soft copy of the form. Then here you just click on fresh passport option and here you have to put your baby's details. And then for documents you have to go to the document advisor option, and then here you can see type of application. You have to put normal and application category as minor, and you have to fill the details here. See, after uploading all the documents proof, you have to download the form D, which you have to take while you are going for appointment. These are some important points. Thank you. Bye bye.